What's the meaning of appraisal? Appraisal. Appraisal.
Appraisal. Appraisal. Appraisal refers to the act of evaluating or assessing something, such as a piece of property, a performance, or an employee's work. The result of an appraisal typically involves assigning a value or score, based on a set of criteria or standards. This information can then be used to make decisions about buying or selling a property, providing feedback to an employee, or making improvements to a performance. Appraisals are common in many different fields, including real estate, finance, human resources, and education, and are often used to measure progress, identify strengths and weaknesses, and set goals for the future.